This is a BCI 51R 31500 TLA A01 3C battery. Now, what does that mean? Well, I asked the question how many amp hours it was, and nobody really given me the answer I wanted. They gave a whole speech on a battery. So here I am doing what nobody else does but me. Testing out my battery, seeing what the and this one here, right here, looks a little dry. All I said was, looks a little dry. And it is dry. So what I am going to do, grab myself distilled water. Now I am going to add them in. Take a look. Put my cap back on. And go check the other cells. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.